I'm Christian from Air Plant Shop. In today's video highlight, we're covering our Ionantha clusters. We work with two types of Ionantha mainly to produce Ionantha clusters. This is an Ionantha rubra, and we also work with Ionantha ionantha, also known as Ionantha Guatemala. A lot of our customers ask us about the origin of Ionantha clusters, and here I have, and it's pretty hard to tell, one that's actually naturally found on a tree. Down here in Central America, where the Ionantha are found, you'll look up into the trees and see almost like little balls or chandeliers of air plants. And so here's a natural cluster, and then here's us trying to replicate that at the nursery. Customers like using Ionantha clusters as they would any other hanging plant. Maybe you have a hanging potho vine or something in a bright window, maybe above your kitchen sink. They come with a nice wire hook so you can hang them, and the important thing is to make sure they have a lot of free space to maintain their form. Now, whether an Ionantha cluster is formed naturally on the edge of a tree branch or along a hook in a nursery environment, the process is the same and it takes several years. So how to produce an Ionantha cluster is that normally you have one plant. It could have been from a pup or from a seed, and over the course of a couple of years, you'll have many cycles of blooming and therefore many cycles of pup production or offsets. And then you have several generations of plants in the same cluster. And if you don't separate them, they start to form into a round ball. One important thing to note about the clusters is that they're almost always going to have some dead or brown matter, old plants, roots, etc., that are going to be found, especially towards the middle of the ball. But that's natural, and it's just a natural effect of how this particular product is made.